some years, we are Sayo and June. Welcome to our chocolate party. In the party, we are going to play games, sing songs, and eat chocolate.
First, Daniel and Emma are going to sing and dance the rap invitation. Give them a big hand.
What happened?
My back.
You're gonna sing something, chocolate too. Class number one is your invitation. Come on, have a chocolate celebration. Class number one is your invitation. Come on, have a chocolate celebration. Class number one is your invitation. Come on, have a chocolate celebration.
Did you like the rap invitation?
Yeah.
Okay. Now, Manesh, Mayari and Mayu are going to explain the process from cocoa to chocolate. Hello, we are Mayari, Manesh and Mayu, and we are going to explain the process from cocoa to chocolate. First, when the beans arrive from Africa, they are cleaning after the long journey. Then, the beans are roasted. The roasted beans are broken into small pieces and the light shells that are outside of the part of the beans they are blow away.
Then only the centers of the beans are left. They are called nibs. Then the nibs are drawn between beef rollers until they become oils and liquid. This liquid is colored malt. You must come in present. The presses separate the cocoa powder from the cocoa butter. Cocoa powder is used in cooking and at home we mix with sugar and milk to make drinking chocolate. The cocoa butter is mixed with sugar and milk to make with white chocolate.
This may well D&A. Now Mayari, Mirati and Renato are going to add the chocolate round.
One day, Hocus and Lotus were at home. Rat is coming to visit you. So Hocus were perfectly. Lotus Rat is coming. Let's prepare the tea, the chocolate, and the plate. You haven't got any. I'm going to buy some lemonade. Don't touch the chocolate. No, I don't going to touch the chocolate. Okay, goodbye. Done. Lotus, he sits in his chair, looking at the chocolate. One pig is for Rat. One pig is for Fox. One pig is for me, and one pig is for Rat. One pig is for Rat. One pig is for Fox. One pig is for me, and this pig is for Noah. Seba will eat it. This pig is for Rat. This pig is for Fox. And this pig is for me, so I will eat it. This pig is so big, so I will cry. Now this, yummy. Now this pig is so big, so I will crack it. Yummy. Oh, I have an age. It has that moment. Who's come back to the home? Hello, Lotus. Hello. I have an age. Where? In the tummy. I'm going to go to the doctor. 1, 2, 4, 5, 8, 9, 9. Yes. Doctor, I'm Hocus. Look to see. An injection? If you have to. Okay, goodbye. Lotus, the doctor said that you have to have an injection. An injection? I didn't want the injection. That is better. I want my pillow. That is better. I want my blanket. That is better. I want my teddy bear. That is better. Bingo. In that moment, he was knocked the door. Knock, knock, knock. Here is the doctor. That is you. Sorry, but Hocus will not to see you. Hello, good afternoon. I come back tomorrow. Okay. This present is for Lotus. Can you give this? Yes. Goodbye. Hello, Lotus. This wasn't the doctor. This was Rat. He brought a present for you. It's for me. Está pastor. Oh no, chocolate.
Hello, we are Aikiona and Norata. We are going to explain a game of chocolate. First, you need to sit in a circle. These are the names. This is drinking chocolate. What is your name? What is this? Drinking chocolate. Very good. This is chocolate cake. What is your name?
Yeah.
What is this?
Drinking chocolate.
No, this.
I can last.
Chocolate cake. Chocolate cake. This is chocolate biscuit. What is your name?
Arnaz.
What is this?
Chocolate. Biscuit.
Very good. And this is chocolate bar. What is your name? What is this? Very good. And this is chocolate ice cream. What is your name?
My name. Equipo chocolate. Hello. Good morning.
And you, when you hear what you have on your head, you come to find me.
Now that I'm in the train, we are going to the back. Our student that we have to run to the two chairs, and you have to go find and two seats. And the two persons sitting in the chair, you have choose one. And the ladies make us look.
I will lead it. Chocolate whiskey. Chocolate whiskey.
Chocolate bar, out here. Chocolate bar.
And chocolate cake. Chocolate biscuit. And chocolate cake.
Chocolate biscuit, happy. Chocolate cake.
No, the chocolate is now.
Dear.
Hello.
Did you have a good time?
Yes.
Now we are going to play the chocolate rose game. A big hand for I want.
Hello, we are Olivia Alemana and you are going to play another game. We need the smarties to play and music. We are going to sit on a circle. Ay,
correct?
Yes.
Come on, have a chocolate celebration. Don't be shy, don't hesitate. Read your invitations and don't be late. Do you like chocolate? Do you want to fun? Come to a party and have a good time. Yes, 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 did I hear you agree? So you're coming to the party, so you're coming to tea. Do you want to hear again what you're gonna do? You're gonna sing something chocolate too. That's number one, it's your invitation. Come and have a chocolate celebration.
you know what is. You know what is cone? Cone. 1, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3.
Oh, lagi.
Yeah, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay.
Fantastic.
Now,
Come and have a chocolate celebration. Don't be shy, don't hesitate. Read your invitations and don't be late. Do you like chocolate?
you Then around 4 times. Then around. Then. No. Then around. No. Yes, yes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now.
Do you want to do fine? Come to our party and have a good time. Yes, 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 did I hear you agree? So you come to the party, so you come in to tea.
And we are going to sing the chocolate song. Chocolate, chocolate, I like chocolate, 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 brown or white. Chocolate, chocolate, I like chocolate, anytime, day or night. Sweet to eat, sticky to touch. You will sing if you eat too much. You will sing if you eat too much. Okay, now stand up and we are going to stay in your place and we are going to dance all together. Chocolate, chocolate, I like chocolate, 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 brown or white. Chocolate, chocolate, I like chocolate, anytime, day or night. Sweet to eat, tasty to touch. You will sing if you eat too much. You will sing if you eat too much.
Passo, passo, passo.